My dear student, good morning. See the illustration third. From the following particulars of Chennai Sports Club, prepare receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2018. See the particulars, the next one amount, opening cash balance, opening bank balance, interest paid is a payment side, telephone expenses is a payment side, upkeep of ground is a payment side, life membership fees received is a receipt side, bill bats and balls purchased is a payment side, subscription received is a receipt side, 2016 to 17 4,500, 17 to 18 65,000, 18 to 19 5,000. The total value 74,500. Tournament expenses is a payment side. Tournament fund receipt is a receipt side. Then last one, closing balance of a cash balance. Then is a what about the nil for bank balance. So find out the bank balance. See the solution. See the first one, opening balance brought on 10,000. Opening balance is a cash balance, cash account 10,000. The next one, bank balance is a bank account 15,000. See a total 25,000. Opening balance brought on 25,000. Next one, interest paid. Interest paid is a payment side. So by interest paid 5,000. See the next one, telephone expenses 7,000. By telephone expenses 7,000 is a payment side. So next one, upkeep of grounds 22,500. By upkeep of grounds 22,500. Next one, life membership fees received 5,500 is a receipt side. Life membership fees 5,500. Next one, bats and balls purchased is a payment side. 13,000 is a 30,000. See the next one, subscription received total value 74,500. Two subscription received 74,500. Next one, tournament expenses 12,500 is a payment side. Next one, tournament fund received 15,000. Tournament fund received 15,000. Last one, closing balance of a cash account 5,000. Closing balance cash account is a 5,000. Now calculate receipt side, 25,000, 5,500, 15,000, 74,000. Calculate the value 1,20,000. See the payment side, calculate value 5,000, 7,000, 22,500, 13,000, 12,500. Calculate the total value 60,000. 60,000 deducted the cash balance 5,000. Remaining value 55,000. So you have 55,000 in a bank balance account 55,000. So total value cash balance and bank balance 60,000. Closing balance 60,000. So the payment side calculate value. So payment side the total value 5,000, 7,000, 22,500, 13,000, 12,500, 5,000 added the value 60,000. Then remaining value 60,000 is a 1,20,000. Tally for the 1,20,000. See the next fourth sum. One illustration fourth sum. Prepare receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019. See the particulars. The next one amount. Opening cash in hand 1/4/2018 5,000. Bank overdraft 1/4/2018 4,000. Printing and stationery 1,500. Interest paid is a payment side. Sale of investment is a receipt side. Purchase of refreshment is a payment side. Outstanding salary is a payment side. Endowment fund receipt is a receipt side. Lighting charges is a payment side. Then subscription received is a receipt side. Repairs and renewals is a payment side. Conveyance paid is a payment side. Book purchase is a payment side. Insurance premium paid is a payment side. Receipt is a receipt side. Government grant received is a receipt side. Sale of refreshment is a receipt side. Depreciation on building is for a not at are considered. இதை நாங்கள் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்க மாட்டோம் receipt and payment சைடில். So see the solution. Receipt and payment side is a debit side and credit side easier than the next one amount. Write it student. First one, opening balance in a cash in hand. 2 opening balance brought down, cash in hand 5,000. Cash in hand 5,000. Next one is a bank overdraft. Balance brought down is a bank overdraft 4,000. Next one, printing and stationery 1,500. By printing and stationery is a 1,500. Next one, interest paid 3,250. Interest paid is a payment side 3,250. See the next one, sale of investment 1,000. Receipt side is a sale of investment in 1,000. See the next one, purchase of refreshment is a purchase. So payment side 1,500 is a purchase of refreshment. Purchase of refreshment is a 1,500 payment side. Next one, endowment fund receipt is a 2,000. Then receipt side. See the next one, lighting charges 1,300. By lighting charges is a payment side 1,300. Next one, subscription receipt 20,000 is a receipt side 20,000. Next one, repairs and renewals 2,500. By repairs and renewals 2,500. See the next one, conveyance paid 2,750 is a payment side. Conveyance paid 2,750. Next one, books purchased 10,000 is a payment side. Books purchased 10,000. See the next one, sundry receipt 750. See a sundry receipt is a payment side. See the next one, government grant received 6,000 is a receipt side is a 6,000. See the next one, sale of refreshment 1,500 is a receipt side. Sale of refreshment 1,500. The last one, depreciations on building is a not considered for depreciation value. And last one, cash at bank 2,000 is a buy balance. So automatically is the opposite, buy balance, closing balance, cash at bank 2,000. So calculate the value. Receipt side 5,000, 1,000, 2,000, 20,000, 750, 600, 6,000, then 1,500. Total the value 36,250. Calculate the payment side 4,000, 1,500, 3,250, 1,500, 1,300, 2,500, 2,750, 1,000, 10,000, 4,000. Then cash at bank balance is a 2,000. Calculate the value. 32,800. 32,800 deducted the total value 36,250. Remaining value 3,450 is a bank balance. Cash in hand 3,450. So all you clear student? Read the illustration fifth sum. From the following particulars of Vellore Recreation Club, prepare receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2017. See the particulars. Next one, amount. First one, the particulars. Opening cash balance 1/4/2016 is a 3,000. So next one, opening bank balance. The next one, future purchased 11,000 is a payment side. Next one, sports equipment purchase is a payment side. Next one, donation received for pavilion. is a receipt side. Sorry, sale of old tennis ball is a receipt side. Newspaper boards, payment side. Traveling expenses is a payment side. Receipt from entertainment is a receipt side. Admission fees received is a receipt side. Municipal tax is a payment side. Next one, expenses of charity show is a expenses of payment side. Bills receivable table purchase is a payment side. Construction for new tennis court is a payment side. Next one, receipt from charity show is a receipt side. Last one, closing balance cash in hand is a payment side.